I have a Beaches Turks and Caicos update for you. If you haven't been, Treasure Beach opened recently. It's the new village. It's amazing. So now they're bringing the rest of the Beaches resort up to this 2.0 standard. So they're going to start with the Caribbean Beach. They've already started. They're redoing the East Wing to start with. Eventually, they're going to redo the lobby, and they're going to bring new dining options to get that up to the 2.0 standard. The G1 and the S1 rooms, those are already done, so they're already refurbished and ready to go. They've added, over by Treasure Beach, another water sports area. So that allows you to get all your snorkel gear, just walk right down to the beach, and you can snorkel right there just 5 minutes away. Great snorkeling. The original water sports area over by the Italian Village is still there. They've just added a second one. Next, Key West, East and West villas. These are the 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. Those are going to be the next that they're going to work on. After that, the Veranda House will start probably in October. They'll just take like 3 to 4 rooms out of inventory and then redo them as they can. So estimated completion over at Veranda House, Key West, is March 2027. But again, they do this usually in small little sections, except when they're going to be redoing the lobby over at the Caribbean Village and things like that. But yeah, they take little rooms out of inventory and then they go from there. If you need help, have any questions, leave a comment. We're happy to help.